Welcome back friend. In previous video we have to discuss about some important formulas of trigonometry. In this video we have to discuss about example of related to trigonometry formulas. I have to say that also previous video. If you feel any problem you can ask a comment box. Hope you are understood what I am saying in a last video. In this video we have to solve this question. See on the board. If sin A equal to 3 by 5 and cos B equal to 12 by 13, then find the value of sin A plus B and cos A minus B. Okay. Let us solve. Firstly, the formula is sin A plus B. What is the formula of sin A plus B? I have to also explain in a previous video. You cannot watch, please watch. Sin A cos B plus cos B and cos A sin B, and the second is cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay friend, these are basic formula are used to solve this question. We have to also explain in a previous video. If you feel any problem you can watch a previous video, then utilize and solve this example. We know that, okay, because we have to also discuss about in this formulas, both formulas in previous video. Now the given value is sin A and cos B. Now we have to find the value of sin B and cos A. So right, we know that sin B equal to 1 minus cos square B. Okay, we have to also know that because this is a basic unit of trigonometry, this is our basic formula we have to discuss about in a previous video. Now 1 minus cos B means because by cos square B, we can written as in this form. Okay, we can written as in this form. So I have to doing this. Yes, if you feel any problem, hope you are clear. Now the square of 12 is 144 and the square of 13 is 169. Okay, take LCM. What would we get? Sorry, (25/169). Okay, we can have also 2 minus, then we can get 25/169. 5 into 5 we can write as in this form, and 13 into 13, because this is a square of 25 and this is a square of 13. 5/13 means the value of sin B equal to what? 5/13. Okay. Yes. Now similarly we have to find the value of cos A. Okay. So we know that cos A equal to 1 minus sin square A, and the sin A equal to 3 by 5 given in a question. (9/25). Okay, take LCM. What we get? We have to minus 25 minus 9 equal to 16. What is the value of cos A? This is 16. 4 into 4 16, 4 by 5. This is a value of cos A. Now Firstly, we have to find the value of sin A plus B. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Let. Okay. Now equation first. Visual है? Okay. Visual. Now the value of sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the value of sin A? We have to find out. We have to given this is 3 by 5 and what is the value of cos B? This. And what is the value of sin cos A? This 4 by 5. And what is the value of sin B? 5 by 13. Okay. We have to put the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin A. Also given a value of sin A and cos B. In this formula we can find out the value of sin B and cos A, because they find out the value of sin A plus B and cos A plus B, in both the terms. Okay. In both the terms. Hope you are understood what I am saying. Yes. Now we have to come the next step. Cancel out. Okay. 3 by 5. हाँ, ये कितनी, ये आपका 12 3 जा, okay. Now take the LCM. 14 by 30. The value of sin A plus B. Similarly, we can find out the value of cos A minus B or cos A plus B. We have to write the cos A minus B. You have to also find out the value of cos A plus B. Nothing difficult. Okay. The formula has been to change. Okay. Sin A plus B equal to 14 by 30. Okay, friend. This is answer. So in this method we have to find out the value of sin A plus B or sin A minus B. In this question we have to also given one question you can solve in a self. Now hope you are understood what I am saying. I have to rough then explain the another. Okay. Yeah. Cos A minus B. Similarly, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, what is the value of cos A? 4 by 5. What is the value of cos B? 12 by 13. What is the value of sin A? 3 by 5. And what is the value of sin B? 5 by 13. 5 cancel out. Then 12 4 ja 48. And this is a 65. 3 upon 13. Take LCM. What is the LCM of this? This. Okay. You are very well know, because LCM or HCF, this is a basic mathematics ideas you have to also study about in a previous class. So you cannot know about in this. So please study previous classes, because this is a basic term and condition in 4th or 5th class. Okay. 5 into 3, 48 plus 15, 65. Okay. What is the value of, ऐड कीजिए, 13 6 means 63 upon 65. Hope you are understood what I am saying. I have to explain the both formulas. Hope you are understood what I am saying. Okay friend, if you feel any problem you can frequently ask for me. Okay. Now I have to give now two questions, same as find the value of sin a minus b and cos a plus b. You have to find out the value. Okay, you have to find out the value. This is your HW, this is a HW of your today topic. The next we have to also explain, the most important question has been asked ka. This is your HW. Okay, solve and write a comment. You are complete or not complete. If you feel problem you can ask. Okay, I have to rub, then we have to explain another question. चलिए, the important question is ask more many times, tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Okay. So prove that this equation also equal in this type. ठीक है. Firstly we have to take the left hand side. This is a important question, has been asked a lot of time in your examination. Okay. Firstly you have to take a left hand side. What we given? Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Yes, this is your left hand side. Now what to do? We know that tan a plus b. What is the formula of tan a plus b? We can also discuss about in a previous classes. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is a and this is a b. Yes. Similarly, tan a minus b. What is the formula of tan a minus b? Tan a minus tan b. This is a and this is a b upon, this is upon. Okay. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. Hope you are clear. We have to study about, I have to write for remember your mind. We have to also study now in this form a plus b, tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a into tan b, and we have to also study about in a previous video. We have to prove that tan a tan b 1 plus tan a into tan b. ठीक है. These formulas used in this step. Okay. So you have to remember. Now what we have to do? Okay. In this step, the value of 10 pi by 4. Pi by 4 means, pi means 180 by 4. 4 4 ja and 4 5 ja means 1045. What is the value of 1045? Ten x. into 10x. I have to simplify 10 by 4. Nothing to do in this step. Okay. Now, what is the value of 1045? 1. 1 into 10x means 10x. Okay. 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 1 into 10x means 10x. ठीक है. Okay. Now we have to write this because 1045 or 10 pi by 4 equal to 1. ठीक है. Okay. Now you have to simplify. What we get? This term. Okay. Numerator has been interchanged. Numerator and denominator has been interchanged. Means a plus b and a plus b. A square, a plus b का whole square and a minus b, a minus b, a minus b का whole square. This is a basic unit of algebra we have to study about. A plus b and a plus b equal to a plus b का whole square. You have to also remember in your memory. This formula has been used in this step, and we have to write that this. We have to prove that this. Okay. Use in this term. Now this is our right hand side. Okay. This is a right hand side. Prove. ठीक है. This is a right hand side. Friend, similarly more than question you have to find out in your book. You have to practice, and fill any problem you can ask for me. Okay friend, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.